Using an Allen key, remove the retaining screw located underneath the door latch roller. Next, use an Allen key to remove the set screw located inside the threaded end of the spindle, as well as the set screw located in the bottom of the latch roller. If you need to remove the door handle and spindle assembly, simply unscrew the spindle from the cast iron door. Once disassembled, you should have the following 4 components: door handle, 2 Allen set screws, and the latch roller. Reinstalling the door latch. Thread the spindle back into the cast iron door if it was removed. Reinstall the latch roller onto the threaded end of the spindle. Install and tighten both Allen set screws. Reinstall the retaining screw underneath the door latch. Verify that the latch operates smoothly and securely before returning the stove to service.